Are you looking to create a professional Facebook logo for your business page but don't want to spend money on a designer? Well, the good news is you can do it completely free by using AI. And in this video, I will guide you through the entire process step by step so you can design a stunning logo in just a few minutes. Now let's get started. First, open your browser. You can use any browser like Google Chrome, Safari, and even Microsoft Edge. For this tutorial, I will be using Google Chrome on my phone. The first tool we will use is ChatGPT. Why? Because we need a detailed and professional prompt to generate a logo that looks unique and polished. Inside ChatGPT, simply type something like this. I would like to create a logo for my Facebook business page. This page name is MM Marketing. Plus create a detailed prompt that I can use with Leonardo AI to generate a professional logo. Once you send that, ChatGPT will instantly provide you a ready-to-use prompt. This saves you time and ensures your logo. Once you send that, ChatGPT will instantly provide you with a ready-to-use prompt. This saves you time and ensures your logo designs come with exactly how you want it. All you need to do just copy that prompt. Next, let's move to the actual logo design tool called Leonardo AI. So open your browser again and search for Leonardo AI. Click on the first result, then tap on Get Started. Now we will need to create an account. Fastest way is to sign in with your Google account. Just tap Continue with Google and select your Gmail. But if you prefer, you can also sign up manually by entering your email address and creating password. Once you're inside Leonardo AI, go to image generation section. Here paste the prompt that you have copied from ChatGPT. Now click on generate and wait for a few moments. Leonardo AI will take a little time to process your request, so just be patient. In a few seconds, it will show you multiple logo options designed for you. Take a look at the results and choose the one that fits your brand style the most. When you find that one you like, tap on it and click download. That's it. You have got your brand and your Facebook logo. The final step is to update your Facebook business page. Once your page, open your page, go to your profile section and upload the new logo you have created. Once you've saved it, your page will instantly look more professional and attractive. And that's it.